Hello everyone, my name is Gissel, and I know I haven't filmed a makeup video in a while, but I actually shopped the Sephora VIB sale. So anyways, I picked up a lot of things. This is how much stuff I got. I actually have 2 boxes, but I just filled it into one because, you know. So let's get right to it. Okay, so the first thing that I want to talk about is this skincare thing that I bought. It is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. And I have been using this like once or twice already. So not really, but I did use it today for my face to start off, and the bottle just looks like this. Really cute packaging and has a pump. It is very like a gel texture. You only need a little bit because according to the box, for a no makeup day, you apply 1 to 2 pumps as the last step of your entire routine. And then for a natural glow, you would apply 1 to 2 pumps as the last step in your skincare routine before makeup. And you can mix this with your foundation or anything, and you could definitely, a little goes a long way basically. And it does feel really nice on the skin, super hydrating. I have dry to normal skin, and then in the summertime I have kind of like normal to combo skin, still a little dry in some areas, but this has been really good so far. I picked up a foundation and a concealer. I didn't pick this up during the Sephora sale. I actually picked this up in the Giorgio Armani website. You know, you could pick this up in Sephora too, but they had 30% off, so I was like, yes. So I actually used to have the shade 4.5, but I moved up to the shade 5. It is still a light neutral, but for some reason the 4.5 was fitting me a little bit more yellow, so this one fit me a lot better. I don't know why I had the other shade, but whatever. Then I also picked up the Luminous Silk Multi-Purpose Glow Concealer from them, and that is what I have on underneath my eyes today. I do have the Giorgio Armani foundation on as well. I picked up the Patrick Top for Face, the cream contour and bronzer in She's Sculpted, and this is how it looks. It just has the little clear cover for it. So I have used this about like 2 or 3 times as well. I do have it on right now. I do really like it. It doesn't come out too orangey, but it definitely is more of a bronzer color. So if you're looking for it to be somewhat of a contour, I don't really consider it really like so much of a contour in my opinion. But I did also pick the Shade and Light Contour Duo in Lyric and Shadow Play, and I do have the big size. I have it customized. So I do have these shades, and I use this mainly for contour, and I use this for underneath my eyes. I did use it today. I used it to contour my nose, and then Lyric I usually do use underneath my eyes when I have a more yellowish undertone. Sometimes I'm more on the neutral side, so I did use this today as well. I did pick up the Patrick Top brush, and this is kind of how it looks. I did use it today to put on the Patrick Top bronzer, which by the way I got She's Sculpted. I don't know if I mentioned that, but just re-adding it. So I did use this. I also picked up the Tarte C brush. It is the Hydro Sealer Concealer brush. So I did use it today to kind of put some powder on, and it's super soft. I wouldn't really use this again for powder. I was going to use it for underneath my eyes, but I got something else for underneath my eyes. And this is really soft. It's really nice so far. I do really like it. I'm going to try it again with concealer. I didn't use it with concealer this time, but I will try it again with concealer. I really love the color, which by the way, this brush was perfect for contouring. I do have brushes that I love for cream contour and other things, but this one was really nice. I'm gonna see if I use it with the powder afterwards. I don't typically mix my brushes. Once I use it with cream, it stays with cream, and I don't put powder on it, but I'll try using it again and see how it works. But it's super soft. I know these types of brushes, for me, they kind of look streaky on the website. or like they're gonna poke at you, but this is really, really soft, so no complaints here. So what I did use to set my under eyes is the new Huda Beauty Baby Bake, and I got it in the shade Pound Cake. I have the original big one in Cupcake, I believe, and it's the lighter shade. It's more pinky, and this is how it looks. I thought I would get like a travel size one since I am going on vacation, but you just lift this part and it's like this, and then you twist it, which is very scary because I feel like I was gonna break it the first time, and then you lift and it's like a puff, and this is how it looks on the inside. There is like a film that you have to take out, and yeah, super easy. You just could kind of like shake it and then use it on your face, and I personally think it's so cool. I don't know how often I'll be using this puff, mainly because it's gonna get dirty, guys, so you know, you don't want to break out after a while. Let me just blend that out. So yeah, I thought this was like a really cool like little travel size with a puff already included, and I've been wanting to try the shade Pound Cake because I didn't know if it was going to suit me because I'm very much of a neutral undertone and this has a little bit more yellow in it, but I hope I'm going to get a little tan, so maybe this will be better when I'm actually tanner. So what I did use to set my under eyes is the Beauty Blender Powder no, it's not powder, it's Power Pocket Puff. I always say Powder Pocket Puff, but it's Power Pocket Puff. And I got 2 of these. They were sold out for a while and then they magically became available. So I just used the one that I already had, but I picked up 2 more just because why not? They're really good. I like them personally. It sets my eyes really great. I really love how it leaves everything. And excuse the lighting. I am using natural daylight and it's going from sunny to cloudy to windy to drizzle. That's New York weather for you guys, man. I'm here struggling because I don't want to bring my ring light. So anyways, so I bought this Tweezerman brow shaping scissor and brush, and I did use it today. I do have to do my eyebrows before I leave on vacation, but I want to do that, you know, a day that I actually have time. I know I trimmed them a little bit today, but this was excellent. Let me actually take it out of the packaging. The scissor was so precise, and I know I have a lot of scissors, but I love this one. It was smooth compared to the Revlon scissor that I picked up from Ulta. I wouldn't say that that one sucks or is bad. I would just say that this one felt like I didn't have to, you know, clamp it down. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. I also picked up the Beauty Blender Besties, and this I just thought was a great idea. You just get this little package, and inside you get a Black Pro Beauty Blender, you get soap, and then you also get the little scrub to clean your blender, and this is the charcoal scrub. And I have the bigger version of that, so that's amazing. And this is going to be so easy to take on the go. So I'm really glad that I picked this up. And you can just conveniently put it back into this case, and it's really cute. So I thought that would be great. And I did use the Black Pro Beauty Blender today. So another thing that I picked up was another 24-hour Super Brow Longwear Pomade from KVD Beauty. And this, I got it in the shade Light Brown. I do originally have medium brown, but I felt like maybe it's a little too dark because the medium brown from Anastasia Beverly Hills is like the perfect shade for me, but I don't want to go back to that one because it dries out so fast, and mine is finally drying out after I think 2 to 3 years of using it, even though I know I'm not supposed to have it for that long. I do have it for that long. So I just got light brown to help me out, and honestly I have it on right now and it looks perfect. It's not too warm or too red or whatever the case is. It's actually really good. I like the shade. And what else did I pick up? Oh, so I got 2 different mascaras, and yes, I am wearing 2 different mascaras right now. So I got the Lancome Lash'd mascara, and this one, I have to say, I was skeptical because, you know, overpriced mascaras and all that, you know, you can get cheaper ones or whatever. But this one is gorgeous. I really, really, really do love the wand. It's super, super nice. It's like little spikes. And it is actually what I have on this eye. I did curl my lashes with an eyelash curler, so there's that. I would say that it does stay up pretty well. I did curl it one more time before filming this part. But yeah, I do really, really like it. I'm so glad that I got it. And then I also picked up the Marc Jacobs at Lash'd mascara. And this is how the packaging looks. It is really cute. I like the stripes, and that is what I have on my other eye. And this is how the brush looks. I do really like it. It gives you a lot of volume. There is differences between the Idol and the At Lash. The At Lash just gives you a lot of volume but not a lot of length, but I still really do like it compared to my favorite one, which is the other Marc Jacobs mascara, the Mega Lash, something like that. It's the fat one. I do see a difference. I still like the Idol better, and I will continue to use both. So comparing the two, I would say the Idol just gives you more length, not a lot of volume, but still really nice. And then the At Lash gives you more volume. Let me see if I can close you guys up so you guys can see it. So that's kind of how it looks. Moving on. So these are things that I didn't try on. Let me start off with, I bought the Blender Cleanser Liquid Charcoal and Unscented Sponge and Brush Cleaner. And this is new to the Beauty Blender family. And I really like their liquid and their solid to clean the beauty blenders. I don't typically use it for my brushes because I have a whole nother thing for my brushes, but I have used it, I think, like once or twice for my brushes, and it did a pretty decent job. I just used my Zote soap, so I've been trying to get rid of that for like so long, but yeah, it's just a big bar, guys. It's a big bar. But I haven't given this a try yet, but I'll let you guys know. I also, oh yeah, I forgot about this. I didn't try this on. I bought the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Boundless Bisque, which is number 500. And I didn't try this on. Let me put it on right now in my waterline. I always tear when I do my waterline, guys. Ooh. That's as good as it's gonna get because my eyes is too watery. So I have tried this already 2 to 3 times. It is a really nice nude color for me. It is on the lighter side, so it does make my eyes open up a little bit when I feel like they may look like too much, you know. I don't know if that makes sense, but I really like it. I was looking for a nude eyeliner, not too white and not too dark, so this is perfect. So then I'm going into my little perks that I got. I got the Way. I don't know how do you pronounce this? Way. I got this little hair kit. I think it was about 250 points, and it comes with a scalp and body scrub. It comes with hair oil, leave-in conditioner, and a detangling comb. And since I said I'm going on vacation, so I need stuff for my hair on the go. So I'm not going to be taking huge things, and especially leave-in conditioner. I definitely need that. I have a ton of hair, and this isn't even half of it because the other half is over here. Yes, I have a lot. So I was excited for the mini comb because I usually, honestly, I take my huge shower comb and I don't want to take it. You know what I mean? So I got the little comb, the leave-in conditioner, the scalp and body scrub, and the hair oil. And I'll let you guys know how it works on my trip because believe me, I am taking it. And I also picked up with, I think 100 points. They lowered the points on this, which is one of their face masks. I have been dying to get one of these. I just didn't want to waste 250 points for it when I have a bunch of face masks at home. So it's just like this. It's really cute. It's very circular. But anyways, I wanted the polka dot ones, not the stripe ones, because I like polka dots. So I can't wait to actually use this so people can know I shop at Sephora. Not that that matters, but I just thought it was cute. I like it. And I just picked up, obviously, when I get the little samples, I like to get the creams. So I got a Ultra Repair Cream, a Fresh Youth Preserve Cream, the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Cream. Then I got Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer, which I didn't really want, but they gave it to me. Because sometimes I guess when they don't have certain things, they give you whatever they got. And I also pick up like mini perfumes. I actually liked this when they first sprayed it in like Macy's at one point. And then when I went for the bigger bottle, like I sprayed it again. And I was just like, like it wasn't as good as another perfume that I smelled. So they also gave me this, which is just like samples for the foundations, but I don't do these. I forget about them because I don't even freaking wear foundation like that. I am trying to get more into foundation. It's just like this. Let me tell you, the 4.5 that I have or had, I threw it out because I've had it for 3 years and there was more than half in there. I'm sure. But I'm going to try to use foundation just a little more. I did buy a MAC one. I do have an Ulta haul coming up because I did do a few purchases. But yeah, this is all for my Sephora haul. I was excited to share with you guys what I picked up because I haven't picked up any makeup. I've been all nails. And yeah, and I finally picked up makeup, like that's not skincare. And finally my face doesn't feel as dry. It was so dry, guys, like so dry. I had like dry patches here one day that I put contour and I had like a black spot or dark spot. And I was like, I literally thought I got mascara on my cheek. And I was like, how could you not tell me I had mascara on my cheek? I'm like, oh wait, that's a dry spot. Like I felt so stupid. But yeah, I'll let you guys know in more detail how these go. I already know that I like this shade and light shades because I already have the bigger kit. I just needed a to go. I know I like the Huda Beauty one because I already have the bigger one. It's super finely milled. If you're really sensitive to smells, I wouldn't say to pick it up. It does have a smell, but it leaves immediately, so that's good. I do recommend the Powder Pocket Puff. It's just a great like setter and it leaves your skin mega smooth. And yeah, sorry that I keep looking at the viewfinder. It's just I haven't recorded myself in a while, so I want to make sure that I'm in focus or that I at least look good because I be looking scary sometimes, you know. Anyways, thank you guys all for watching. I really appreciate it, and thank you guys for looking at my Sephora haul. I'll be looking forward to see if you guys picked up anything. You guys could leave me like a little comment. We could talk makeup down in the comments. And yeah, thank you guys all for watching, and until next time, bye.